Let's see if the leprechaun came.
No, Poppy, don't.
I want to record it if you will catch it. Okay, open up. Let's see up here if you came up here. Did you see anything up here, Vito?
Yeah.
I don't think he came then.
Everything's downstairs.
Let's go. Let's go try on the basement. Let's go see. You think he came? I don't think he came. What happened?
Oh my God.
What is that?
Toilet. Bobby, come here.
What is it?
Come here, look at this. Toilet paper all over the place.
You think he came?
He got out of the box.
Accendila la luce. Look at that, Vito. Look all the mess that he did.
He got out of the box. He ripped it.
Who?
The leprechaun was supposed to...
You catch her?
No.
He get.
Hello. It's ripped.
He tried to steal your DS. Look, Vito.
Wait. Nasty.
The DS is over there. Look. He tried to steal her.
No, I was gonna let play for last night.
See if you look.
See? I wanted to let play for last night.
Wow. Look at the chair on the floor. He did a big mess.
Yeah.
Turn the lights on.
Oh, no, Bobby comes down here.
Francia, it's okay. Look. He tried to take that thing too, Vito.
What?
You see he's moved that? Maybe it's still on the house. Look, all the chair, put it upside down.
Yeah, you look in the kitchen. And look, he tried to take the snow cone machine.
Yeah, I tried to take the snow cone machine.
Oh, he did give me any DS games. What? Did he not give me any DS games? I want some DS games.
Wow, look all the mess that he did. Maybe it's on the bathroom. Maybe it's still here. Go check. You think he's here? What? He didn't flush the toilet. Look.
Leprechaun, are you in there?
It's not there.
What? We like you.
Can you flush the toilet, please? I can't stand that, Vito. Look.
No. No, I'm not gonna flush it.
Flush it.
No, first make a video of it. Bobby, when she comes down, she'll freak out. Is the water green? No.
Look.
Let's check the
Wow.
Oh, he ate the apple.
He ate an apple too? Look.
He got the water out. Refrigerator's okay.
Wow.
Freezer okay. I'll check in the pig. Hey, no mess in here.
No messing here. Probably didn't came here.
Oh, probably he's too small to unlock the doors, right?
Alright, let's do the cleanup. I can't believe it. This year we didn't catch either. But you're
And
gonna.
I did it with so much tape, and I can't even get it off.
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it.
Are we gonna catch it next year?
I don't know.
What are you looking for, Vito?
Oh, that's something. He didn't even read Monkey's Jungle Book. He didn't even read Monkey's Jungle Book. I left so many things out for him to do. I left, that was a playhouse for him, Bobby. That was a playhouse. I didn't want to catch him.
Did he left anything behind?
No.
Alright, we're gonna catch you next year, okay?
No. It's just been the worst St. Patrick's Day ever.
Why?
Because no leprechauns. He messed up my playhouse I made for him. Ugh. He's so annoying. There was a playhouse for him. I'll go look at the playhouse. I'll go look at the playhouse.
It's okay, Vito.
What about...
Did he went in there too? Did he went on the room?
Papi, you have to unlock it.
It was locked. I don't think he went there.
He's small enough to...
His mother went under the door. Yeah, but I don't think it went there, Vito. Open up, check it out.
Let's check this out. Let's check this out. Oh, it's so nice.
Is it here?
And here. But who the paper was here somewhere?
No, I don't think he went there. Let's go. Open up, Francesco. No jumping. Let's go, buddy.
Maybe it's the Patrick Day, like a DS game or something.
Vito, can you say Happy St. Patrick Day?
Happy St. Patrick.